Hey guys, so today I want to recommend the best pair of shoes you need in your closet. These are the Nike Blazers and I have them in this like maroon color. I've had these for over a year, as you could tell, but I seriously love these shoes. They look cute with any kind of outfit and they're super comfortable. I usually wear them like not tied up just like this. I just slip my foot into the shoe, which is like super comfortable because you don't have to like tie up your shoe every single day if you wear them like this. And they're super comfortable. I usually wear these like to school. I'm a very lazy kind of morning person, so I just kind of like slip these on and I'm ready to go. So these are definitely a must in my closet, and I feel like they look cute like with shorts, with jeans. They are super fashionable, and yeah, Nike quality is some of the best shoes ever in the whole world, in my opinion. So yeah, if you're looking for like a pair of like stylish sneakers that go with literally everything and every single outfit combination, from fancy to casual, definitely check these out. These are like super comfortable, best purchase ever. Check these out.